just jump off of this presentation here, obviously the question on people's minds, the majority of them are going to be wondering, how do you do this? How are you able to take a lead that someone's on Facebook that really doesn't have any idea who you are, doesn't know you, has never met you before, and you're able to take a lead like that and actually move them all the way through where you get their listing and then close that listing? So I don't know if you have anything you want to start off with that, or I can jump right into a couple questions.
Well, basically, when I get a lead come in, they're either usually address only or full submission leads. If I get an address only lead, I will send them a card in the mail that basically it has a sticker on it that will bring them back to the link to the capture page so that they can finish that submission, so I could have some more information on them. That's resulted in a lot of times them actually going back and filling in everything else, or sometimes they'll call me, Facebook message me, just and other ways of getting in contact with me. So when I get a full submission, I will send an email with the home value. I follow up with a letter, follow up with a bonbon. They're placed on a drip campaign, which is for me 5 weeks. That just kind of keeps them engaged for 5 more weeks.